Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, if you like what you see, please subscribe and give me a couple of likes. I'm doing an unboxing today. I decided to go ahead and get a new camera. I love the Canon products. So I went ahead and purchased from B&H. B&H is my favorite place. I love B&H, so I'm addicted. I got the Canon EOS 80D. I currently have the 60D, which works great. It's wonderful. But I thought it was time for me to kind of upgrade. So what comes in the box, it has these manuals. I think one is in English and one is in Spanish, which is great. And I love the Canon products. I have most of the lenses for the EOS system. And so I decided, okay, we'll go ahead and invest in this beautiful Canon camera. So here it is, my Canon. What I love about this camera is simply that it does have the liquid crystal display where you're able to view your images ahead of time. And it's very similar to the 60. One of the things that I really like about Canon products, it's an easy transition from one camera to the other, and also the lens. And so what I like also about it is it's very sturdy. This device here comes where you can put your mic, your headphones, and also you can do an external mic, which is great. I'm working with a shotgun mic right now for this video. So this is my new Canon. I love it, I love it. And it came with a couple of other items. So in the box it has the charger, which I like. I'll kind of show you. It's just the basic Canon charger. Love it, love it. And it also comes with the standard Canon strap. I don't really keep the strap on my camera unless I'm out on site doing some photography. And I don't want to drop my camera ever. I never have. I don't want to. But this is gold. So it comes in the packet. I only got the body only because I have about 7 or 8 lenses that I work with right now that I love. And if you hear any noise in the background, it's my little dog Quincy. He's having a good time with the box. It came with the battery. I have about 6 extra batteries for Canons, and they kind of all work together with the body, so that's a big plus. I wanted to try out the Canon light for its cameras. I have a whole lighting system here. I have the Diva ring light, Supernova. I have several other lights, a couple of soft boxes, and it's working well. I think it gives me a nice illumination, but let me know what you think. This is something I've been waiting on all my life. It is the speed light, and it's made by Yogonyo Digital. I found this on Amazon, actually. And so through one of the YouTube videos that I watch on a daily basis, I found that a photographer actually highly recommended this and that it was at a reasonable price. So I thought, well, this is something I definitely want to try. So it comes with a nice case, as you see here. Oh, it's beautiful. And I actually have one that's Sigma for Canon, but it's a little older and it was kind of burned out. The battery was all stuck inside, so I elected to throw it away. So this is it. It looks great. I hope you guys can see it. It fits perfectly, and it goes right on top. I'm sure all of you know. It just slides right on the Canon, and you adjust it to tighten the lever. Boom. There you go. So it's a nice new setup. I'm very happy with my Canon products. I love Canon. This is not a sponsored video in any way, but it's just something I've been using probably for the last 20 years. I've been doing some videography, documentaries, a reality show I directed and produced. And so these are the things that I have in my collection, and I'll keep you posted on if I get something new. I learned about a new product actually a couple of months ago that some friends of mine are using. It's a new video camera that it has a stabilizer on it. I won't mention the name yet because I don't want to get it wrong, but I'll let you guys know how it works. Well, thank you for watching, and I will leave the description of all these products down below. And please follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and I am creating a blog. I don't have it up yet, but please stay tuned. Bye.